Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn about how to upload file API. Okay, it means that you use API for upload file to the database. So you will know how to make controller and route for upload file, and you will know how to set up Postman, and you also know how to write code for upload file to the database, and we will test API and upload file with the Postman. Okay, so now let's go together. Here's my project. So now we need one controller for creating or writing some code for upload file. Okay, so we go to new terminal in here and we create PHP artisan makes controller. So you put the controller name. My controller name is file controller. Okay, and then we go to our controller, http controller file controller. So we just write one function. My function is upload. Okay, upload, and then we return upload. Here we will get the request from Postman, so we need to use this request. So you can copy it and pass in here, and we have one parameter in here, request. Okay, so I need to return the first. I need to return, I just declare one variable called result equal file. Okay, so file is type of file, and here is the key from Postman, and we store it. So in this we need to put request also. Okay, parameter request. We got file. Here is the key that will pass from a Postman, and I will show you when we finish this code. So file per and then store. So in here you put the paths of the file that you want to store. Okay, so I just store in API files, and then I just return. So I return the paths, and then in here we put result. So the result, we should put the parameter result here because we want to know the paths that we have upload to. Okay, let me save it, and then we create one route API. So we go to route api.php, and then we create one route. I just copy this, pass in here, and the URL of route is upload, and my function is upload. And then you change in here is file controller. Okay, file controllers. Don't forget import the file controller. Just copy this and pass in here. We change this to files controller. Let me save it. Okay, so now let's go to Postman. Before we go to Postman, I just run my projects. We use PHP artisan serve. Then I run this project. Okay, this is my path of projects. I copy it, and we go to the Postman. We click on add new here. We choose the method post because in here we need to insert it to the database, so we need to you post, and the API route also post in here. Okay, so let's move back to the Postman, and we need to go to the bodies, and we go to form data, and then we choose in here, click in here, choose file. Okay, because we want to upload the files, so you need to put the keys is file. So you can see is the key, and we will get the key in here. Okay, request get file and store in these paths. So we move it back, and now we choose the file, click on it, and then browse to the we looking for the file. So I just click this one and open it like this, and then I click send. Okay, sorry, I did not put the URL in here. So we go to this, copy our projects URL and pass in here, and we need to specify API because in here we write the API upload. Okay, so our route is upload. So let me send it again. Yes, that's fine. It is the part of the file. So you can go to see where is the file. You can go to see storage, apps, and here is the API file. So this is if you put in here's API file, but if you it will check in the app folder here. If the API file does not exist, it will create one like this. Okay, so you can extend this. You can see here is the file name that we have uploaded. So now how do we upload it to the database? Okay, so I will show you. Let me create one model for connecting to the database. So before create the model, we let's check our database in here. You can see here is my table name files. So file here is plural. So before in here, you also don't forget check the database in env file here. So you can see I have the right configuration with the database name, user, and password also. So my database is inventory. Okay, so we move back to create the models. So PHP artisan makes model, and model name is file. Okay, so because the table name is plural, files with s, in here we need to create it as a single, sorry, in singular. So file no f at the end. Enter it. Sorry, it's wrong. Let me try it again. PHP artisan makes model file. We go to our models. Here's file. We need to specify the time span because we do not use it. Okay, so in here's time stamps, and then equal false. Let me save it, and then we go back to our file controllers, and we import the model, use apps model. My model name is false, and then we have to declare one variable in here, false equal new false, and then files. So let me check the field name in table file in here. So in here is ID and file. So the ID is auto increments, it will automatically insert, and we need to specify file here. So files, and then request file, okay, and then I declare one variable result equal file save. Okay, so if file is true, it means that file is, it means we save data to the database successful. It will return the string like result, and here we just upload success. Okay, copy it, and then here if it not success, it will show the message upload failed. Okay, then I delete this. Let me migrate this. Okay, that's right. So now let me save it, and then we move to our Postman in here. So I put the same file in here. I want to insert it to the database, so let me send it again. Yes, upload success, so it will insert to the database table files. So let me check in here, refresh it. Okay, you can see here it inserted. So you can go to our we go to where is storage apps API file. Okay, you can see is one more file in here. So you can write when you want to view the file, you can call from this path, okay, because we have inserted in here API files, and here is the name of the files. So that's all for my presentation about how to upload file in API. So thank you for watching.